Today we are starting the new room. Let's join it. Wireshark, the basics. Task number 1, introduction. Wireshark is an open source cross-platform network packet analyzer tool capable of sniffing and investigating live traffic and inspecting packet captures, PCAP. It is commonly used as one of the best packet analyzer tools. In this room, we will look at the basics of Wireshark and use it to perform fundamental packet analysis. So basically, in the world of let's stay in this area of cybersecurity and networking. Wireshark is if you learn, let's say, the basics and a bit of advanced stuff of Wireshark, you will be set forever with a packet analyzer tool. This is it has everything that you want. So it's the best tool to learn. So without further ado, learning objects, navigate and configure Wireshark, inspect packets and discover information from the different layers of TCP/IP, apply display filters. Prerequisite network module, which is done. If you check this with keywords, you can see that is done up to Wireshark, obviously, because what is below it, it will be soon finished. Environment setup, basically we have to start the TryHackMe machine because it is a practical room. The machine will start in split screen view. If not visible, okay, there are two capture files given in the virtual machine. You can use the HTTP1 PCAPs file to simulate the actions shown in the screenshot. Please note that you need to use the exercise or file to answer the questions. So answer the questions below. Which file is used to simulate the screenshots? That's HTTP1. And for the answers, which file is used to answer the questions? Exercise PCAPs.